A new study looks at which approach works best for men with prostate cancer.
And Alzheimer's deaths may be severely underreported. CBS 2's Lisa Siegel is here now with today's Health Watch. Lisa.
Hi, you two. Well, Alzheimer's disease may kill as many Americans as heart disease and cancer. Researchers in Chicago found death certificates often list the immediate cause of death, like pneumonia, without listing dementia as an underlying cause. Now, they estimate there are about 500,000 Alzheimer's deaths among the elderly each year. That is 5 to 6 times higher than the official government total. Well, younger men with prostate cancer may benefit more from surgery than just watching the cancer closely. Researchers found a substantially lower death rate for men under 65 who had surgery. Now, older men who had the operation did not live longer on average, but the surgery did lower their risk of the cancer spreading. The study is in the New England Journal of Medicine. And finally on Health Watch, a dangerous rash is being linked to fish markets all around New York City. And tonight, officials say it is possible the bacteria has infected seafood in other places. The New York City Health Department has identified 30 cases of bacterial infection. It's called M. marinum. It causes red, tender lumps or swelling under the skin of the hands or arms. It has to be treated immediately with antibiotics.
This infection, if it doesn't get treated adequately, can spread from just being a very minor skin irritation to something that goes much deeper into the tissues of the hand, and people can progressively lose the ability to use their muscles in their hands.
The bacteria enters the body through a cut in the skin. The rash can take a few weeks to develop. Now, people who handle raw fish and seafood are being urged to wear gloves. Health officials have reassured the public that contaminated fish is safe to eat, and they have not seen this outside of New York yet. Back to you two.